welcome back to Cruising as Crew. My name is Lucy and today we are docked in Cannes in the south of France and we're going to go out and go on a catamaran. There is a group of us who've arranged to go on this catamaran. I actually have had nothing to do with the organisation of this, so I'm just going with the flow, but I'm very excited. We are going to get off the ship at 12 because it's a tender port. And for anyone who doesn't know what that is, it means that the ship does not dock. It means the ship does not dock. The ship drops the anchor just off the shore, and then we use little tender boats to ferry everyone ashore. So basically it's sailor first, so all the passengers and sailors that want to get off can get off before the crew are allowed to get off, which is usually about 12 o'clock. So I am just finishing getting ready. I'm going to go to the galley and have some food before we go out, and then we're going to get the tender. We're going to get the boat to get on another boat. We're going to leave the boat and get on a boat to get on another boat. It's my life. Alright, so I've got all my stuff on my bed that I'm going to take. I hope we can like jump into the sea and I can get some good shots with this. Fingers crossed. We're just waiting to get on the tender.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Woo, we're in Cannes again. Okay, so we're at the port. One of the guys booked this on TripAdvisor. It is now 1:30 in the afternoon, and hopefully this is where we get on our catamaran. Alright, so apparently we have to get a ferry to Catamaran, and then we'll get the catamaran. Yes, so excited! So this is our catamaran. Woo! That looks amazing. Nice.
For the catamaran passenger for the half of day.
Right, so we have just got off the ferry that has brought us over to, can't remember the name of the island, but it's just off the mainland. And now we're going to get on board the catamaran and start our day. But I am very excited. You excited? Yeah! Woo! Can't wait to get in. Woo! Alright, so yes, we've all posted up inside so we can get the place to ourselves. Woo! Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh my gosh. Isn't she pretty? So we had the GoPro, but one of the guys jumped in the sea and now the GoPro is at the bottom of the ocean, which is really sad. But you know what? Shit happens.
Go, Lucy. She's doing it. She's doing it.
Can you tag it?
I was ready. No! Lucy, find the camera. Find the GoPro.
I knew this was a great boat. Lemon cake! Oh my god, paddleboarding was so much harder than I thought it would be. There were people doing it and I was like, that looks really easy, I can do that no problem. But yeah, my balance is apparently shocking and I'm not very good at paddleboarding. But it was really good, so we stopped at that one place, which is an island off the mainland of Cannes. And we stopped there for like, I think it was like an hour and a half. And just got to have a little swim and obviously you saw me jumping in and trying paddleboard. But yeah, now we are back in the mainland and we're just docking up, so I think we're going to go to Cannes now and get some food. So this is our tender to get back on the Valiant Lady. As you can see, there is a massive queue, but luckily we don't actually want to get on yet. Where we're docking, right next door.
Degraded from the GoPro.
I know, well the GoPro's at the bottom of the ocean now, so. So is everyone staying out or are you all going back on the ship?
Do you want to go and have a drink? Should we go and have a drink in the Irish bar? Yeah. Come on, let's go and have a drink in the Irish bar.
Oh my god. Have you been to the Irish bar before? What? Have you been to the Irish bar before?
No.
I feel like these guys go all the time though.
I think Toby should know.
Oh, Toby goes. Oh my god, I tell you what, it is days like today. Like it's crazy. I mean, who gets to spend their Tuesday on a catamaran in Cannes? Mad. Yeah, super happy. And yeah, like the guy said, we're gonna go and have a drink in the Irish bar to finish off the day. Because there's a massive queue to get on board the cruise ship, so rather than waiting in the queue, just go and chill out. Let's see how much it would be to live here in Cannes. 2-bedroomed, 283,000. 2-bedroomed, 485,000. To be fair, it's not as astronomical as I thought it was going to be.
Is that it?
Yeah.
That's an apartment with 3 rooms
Whoosh, man.
and a shared pool. I'll take that.
What's this one? It's 45 square meters with a cave. It comes with a cave.
Let's go Virgin Sound.
That's
a Virgin Sound.
Yeah.
Sorry. Not been
4-room apartment,
Virgin
terrace,
Sound.
garage,
Why, what's that?
1.2
on
million.
the sea.
1.2 mil. Oh, why not? Let's get one.
Man, it's like, it's okay, guys.
Let's-
24 contracts.
Yeah, almost there. The Irish pub. Yes. It's dark. Oh, there we go. What's in this? To beer or not to beer? William Shakespeare. care, bye guys. Okay, so we have just left the Irish bar and now a few of us are going to go and get some food because we are absolutely starving, and then we'll just make our way leisurely back onto the ship because we are here overnight, so there's no rush to get back on the ship, but we're all pretty tired, so I think once we get back on the ship that will be it. We won't be getting off again. Look at this, we're having McDonald's for dinner and this is dessert. Oh, look at that. It's like crunchy, Nutella-y goodness between two pancakes. It is absolutely incredible. I've never seen it before, never seen it anywhere else, but it might be the best thing ever. Wow. Oh. How pretty is that? Cans in the evening time. Alright, so now we're coming back and there is no line, which is wonderful, which is why it was worth coming back later, because hopefully we're just going to walk straight onto the ship. Here we are.
Can you stick now?
Thank you. Home sweet home. Okay guys, so I have just got back on board. It is 8 o'clock and honestly I'm knackered. Like, we've had such a good day. I'm a little bit gutted because I think this vlog is going to be a bit short because I took the phone and the GoPro and I got a lot of footage on the GoPro, and then one of the guys borrowed it and jumped in the water with it off the boat, and he raised the stick out of the water and the GoPro wasn't on it. Wasn't his fault, literally could have happened to anyone. It was just a fault in the mechanism, like it detached itself from the stick because it was on fine. So yeah, so I was more gutted about the footage really than the GoPro itself, but oh well. So sorry that the video isn't as in depth, maybe, I don't know, I'm tired. Yeah, so there is a GoPro at the bottom of the ocean just off Cannes, if anyone is going there. If you find it, enjoy. But obviously we wanted to dive to the bottom to see if we could find it, but they were like, well, it's 20 meters deep and also it's seagrass at the bottom, so even if you do get down there it will be buried amongst the seagrass. So we were like, okay, it's gone, like it happens, shit happens, so it's fine. But yeah, other than the GoPro, I had a really lovely day with everyone, and then just had some dinner outside in Cannes, and yeah, just got back. So now I'm gonna just take a shower and get into bed and probably watch the new Jurassic Park. They updated the Crew channel yesterday, so there's loads of new movies on there. So yeah, I'm just gonna lie in bed and watch the new Jurassic Park and probably fall asleep to be up for work tomorrow. But anyway, I really hope you have enjoyed this video, and yeah, I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day, whatever you decide to do. Press like and subscribe if you have not already, and I'll see you in the next video.